When people talk about urea production, they often talk about capacity and output. But when you're on site, the real challenge is reliability. Because downtime is incredibly expensive and the conditions inside these plants are some of the harshest you will find anywhere. Hello, I am Saba Nadeem, an IMI valve doctor candidate. Recently, I was working with a urea manufacturing facility in Egypt that was struggling exactly with this problem. At the customer's urea production facility, its tripper letdown valves were failing quite often. Crystallization, erosion, scratch stems, packing leaks all added up to lost efficiency, safety risks, and the valves being run well beyond their intended life. And like many urea producers, this facility didn't have the luxury of quick fixes either. In urea plants, shutdowns are especially costly, and diagnosing the root cause can take time. We didn't arrive with a product, we started by listening. Working closely with customers' engineering team, we conducted detailed on-site studies, teardown inspections, and ongoing discussions to fully understand what was really happening inside those valves. What we found were fundamental design limitations. Stagnant zones created by case trims, where carbamate could build up and attack the valve from the inside. That insight led us to co-create an entirely new valve design. We re-engineered the flow path, optimized energy dissipation, and protected critical sealing areas by directing high-velocity flow away from sensitive surfaces. We also transformed the backing system using advanced composite materials specifically suited to urea's abrasive crystallizing nature. The result? Dramatically reduced leakage, smoother operation, and far longer service intervals. We felt that this was exactly what continuous running urea plants need. By early 2024, we were ready to begin manufacturing the new valve, and testing began under conditions even harsher than those normally found at urea manufacturing sites. As it turned out, it performed as we intended. This project is a great example of how IMI works. Listening carefully to our partners first, then engineering deeply, and delivering solutions that stand up in the real world. As more facilities adopt this design, we are helping drive a new era of reliability and efficiency in urea production. Read our new blog article and discover more.